Hello, are you there? Good morning and good afternoon and good evening to you, depending on where you are watching from. You see, this is what we have been hammering on this channel. The need for Ndigbo to go and develop their place. And with the recent happenings, I think a lot of people would have become wise. Igbos go to other places, help them develop their places. They leave their own places. A particular actress the other time I featured here said, why should Igbos develop their villages? She meant Igbos should just continue in the city, build houses in the city where they will stay. And by city, she's implying Lagos and, Abuja. But we disagreed with her. Igbos have to go and build in their places. It doesn't matter whatever it is, whether it is a church, whatsoever. Igbos kept filling up swamps for other people. Igbochi swamp. I don't want to mention, but there are even churches that are doing this. Yes, I understand. Ministry can be anywhere, but you know what happens tomorrow? You will start crying. So the best thing for you is to focus in your village. In fact, I will use this opportunity to share a video. I so much like what this lady said. And I believe by watching this video, a lot of us will learn and make hay while the sun shines. Don't agree with people who tell you your places are villages. Even the cities were once villages. They were developed. Don't agree with people who tell you that when you build houses in the village, who will live in? Because you are not living there. They are trying to make you fix their own place. Now let me play the video and we'll look at it.
Go and build your house in your village. Develop your village. Open market in your village. You people are not wise. When Ndigbo wants to, is it Ndigbo now? Ndigbo wants to build church. He started in Kaduna. When he wants to build, he's not carrying going village. Is he not in his father's town? Is he not wise? But an Igbo man will come to Abuja, build church, build house. His village is grass. Are you wise? The same way you are preaching of Biafra to separate, go and develop your country. You are an Igbo man. You are busy building hotels and houses everywhere in the north. Your father's house is growing grass. There is no market in your village. Go and look for a skill that nobody is doing. If it's rapper, they used to tie rapper very well. Open a market of rapper. Turn it to hostels and retail. Develop your space. Stop developing people's land. I am from North, but even if I am from North, before I will build another house in another state, my father's house must be developed. I'm a northern woman, but it pains me when people don't have sense. You are fighting for Biafra. The more you are fighting for Biafra, you are using millions of naira to buy church land to build. You are using millions of naira to invest in a state that is not your father's state. Go and look at all the whole Igbo pastors. They back themselves to Lagos because they believe Lagos is the headquarters. Stop burning incense in the altar. People start falling down, telling them you are not telling them the truth to go and build in your father's village. Relocate your father's village. Your home is your home. You are there, you are calling yourself a priest. You are calling yourself a pastor. You are calling yourself a prophet. You are in Lagos. You carry your headquarters church, keep in Lagos. In no man's land. Land that tomorrow they can scatter and collect their rights. Do you think you have English? I am angry today because the Lord told me, how will there be peace in Nigeria in 2026? That tell all your Igbo members, the ones that need to hear, go back to your father's village, go and develop your community. Your problem is that you don't have sense. You say the witches and wizards in your village will kill you. The one you are doing in Ugbosa, you are developing their land, they will still kill you one day. They will kill you. Develop your faith. on, but it pains me when people don't have sense. You are fighting for Biafra. The more you are fighting for Biafra, you are using millions of naira to buy church land to build. You are using millions of naira to invest in a state that is not your father's state. Go and look at all the whole Igbo pastors. They back themselves to Lagos because they believe Lagos is the headquarters. Stop burning incense in the altar. People start falling down, telling them you are not telling them the truth to go and build in their father's village. Relocate to your father's village. Your home is your home. You are there, you are calling yourself a priest. You are calling yourself a pastor. You are calling yourself a prophet. You are in Lagos. You carry your headquarters church, keep in Lagos. In no man's land. Land that tomorrow they can scatter and collect their rights. Do you think you have illusion? I am angry today because the Lord told me, how will there be peace in Nigeria in 2026? That tell all your Igbo members, the ones that need to hear, go back to your father's village. Go and develop your community. Your problem is that you don't have sense. You say the witches and wizards in your village will kill you. The one you are doing in Ndigbo outside, you are developing their land. They will still kill you.
And by the way, they say charity begins at home. Go and develop your land. Most of the people shouting they want Biafra, they want Biafra. They are not acting like people who are ready to go. That is the problem. How many of you are acting as if you have a nation? Okay, you're waiting for Biafra to be carved out first, then you will develop there. No. You know, I've had some of our people, you tell them you like certain development back in the East. They will tell you it is nonsense without Biafra. You people are fooling yourself. It is something. Any bag of cement taken to an Igbo, used to build something, it's not a loss. You are being deceived. And we say we are wise. They said Igbo has almost 72% of Abuja property. And some people are rejoicing. That is not so. You should mourn. That is not something to rejoice about. You should be mourning. Yes. Because those things are lost. Sincerely. Anything can happen and there will be change of ownership. Yes. There could be change of ownership. Don't brag about properties you have outside. Look at, if you want to brag about properties you have outside, the case of these properties in Lagos that were demolished. You will not get the land. They will not pay you compensations for such properties. Jerusalem is your home. Go and rebuild Jerusalem. Jerusalem of Igboland I'm talking about. It is not until Biafra come. You can make the Biafra right now by start investing small. Go to many parts of Anambra. Markets are deserted. Grasses on well-built market that the people should rent out. Everybody's flocking to Lagos. See what happened in Alaba. That should teach our people lesson already. But none of these people are learning lessons. I know that tomorrow, if those places are cleared, they will still sell those lands to Igbo people who will buy and build another plaza. And tomorrow it will be demolished. You know, the way our people are acting, I don't know. You know, you also claim you have sense, but I don't see any sense in it. As we speak, some Igbos are buying land in Lagos right now. Estate over estate. And by the way, I want to tell you something. Don't think they don't demolish estates. So, if you go to Abuja, you will see estates that have been marked for demolition. So don't allow anybody to deceive you that this is an estate that is backed by government. Don't so agree. Don't agree. Imagine how many millions are lost. They mark your building, 20, 10 of them, your buildings, they demolish. You know what it takes to build a duplex now? You know how many years it took you to save such money? And you will go and develop their place. Tomorrow they will demolish. They don't even care. In just within 30 minutes or 20 minutes, a caterpillar has brought down something you saved for many years to build. She mentioned about pastors who has invested so much in Lagos, Igbo pastors, in the name of church. Well, even the ones that have closed swamps to build their churches. May God help us. Be wise. It takes these people nothing to crush whatever you have achieved there. I'm not telling you don't go to other places, do business. You can. Some of the time, I think let's allow those owners of the land to build and we'll rent. Igbos, go and develop your states. Yes. I want to say it to your shame in English. Yes, we are saying it to your shame in English. Your headquarters should be Ndigbo. I watched one video and I was so pleased with that video. The person said, if you can go as far as China to import goods to sell in Lagos, somebody can also go as far as leaving Lagos, going to the east to buy that same product. I have given this illustration before. Nnewi people, before, you can't open their motorcycle parts in anywhere. Yes, it comes through Lagos ships, but you can't open it. You must take it to Nnewi and open it. And the people will still come to Nnewi there and buy it and take back to Lagos. Igbos, wising up. Oh, you are the only people that have lost so much and refuse to learn. Forget people who tell you you don't live in the villages. And by villages, they meant Ndigbo. By cities, they meant Abuja and Lagos and Port Harcourt. Ignore them. In fact, ignore those people. They are planning your downfall. Stop buying those properties. I was speaking with a woman the other day, a matured woman. She bought properties in Abuja. And she doesn't even know where it is. She said, she can't know the location again. Because those people who advertise those properties to you will tell you, sooner, it's an estate. Sooner, everywhere will be developed. She regretted that money she used to do that. That money would have helped her on another thing. Stop buying. In fact, let me be specific. Igbo, stop buying properties in Abuja. Stop buying properties in Lagos. Stop buying properties elsewhere. Fix Ndigbo. Let me tell you, Igbos got what it takes without federal government support to fix Ndigbo. Yes, we got what it takes. We'll later come to the issue of seaports. Like the other guy said in another video too, he said, okay, if they don't allow seaport in Ndigbo, import it into Lagos. All the custom charges, all other charges, clearing and forwarded, will be added as your markup while you sell. Now people will go stay buy. You add everything as your markup. Do you sell without gain before? You guys have to wisen up, Ndigbo. Don't allow other Nigerians to continue to use you and dump you, use you carelessly. You don't save this money to waste it. Have you seen somebody, he saved 20 million, he put it inside the fire and or set fire on it? No. That is like what is happening. With those buildings being destroyed, your money is destroyed. Your investment is destroyed. Igbos, it don't reach well on go wise up. I hope some of you will hear. Shine your eyes. Even if you want to still remain in Nigeria, fix your village. Fix your place. It's very important. What I'm telling you is what I'm doing. I'm not telling you what I am not doing. I'll leave it here.